Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Candy Blossom videos. First, let's explore the many ways to find this delightful content. We will cover accessing both official releases and fantastic community creations. You will also learn about unlocking special in-game video sequences through gameplay. Finally, we will discuss the best online platforms for discovering and enjoying these captivating videos. Get ready to dive into a world of sweet visual entertainment. To find a wealth of Candy Blossom videos, begin by exploring major online video platforms. Use search terms like Candy Blossom Gameplay or Candy Blossom Walkthrough to uncover a vast array of content. Many creators dedicate their channels to sharing tips, tricks, and full playthroughs. Remember to filter your searches by upload date to ensure you are viewing the most current videos. Interacting with creators through comments and subscriptions helps you stay connected to the community. Many Candy Blossom games integrate video content directly as rewards for player progression. You can often unlock special video sequences by completing challenging levels or achieving high scores in various game modes. Participating in limited-time events frequently offers exclusive video rewards that are not available otherwise. Additionally, collecting a specific quantity of in-game items might grant access to bonus content. Always check the game's achievement system for clues on how to unlock these hidden gems. Consider becoming a content creator yourself and sharing your own Candy Blossom experiences. Use readily available screen capture software to record your gameplay sessions. After recording, edit your footage to showcase your best moments, clever strategies, or funny fails. Adding your own commentary or some fitting background music can significantly enhance the viewer's enjoyment. Once your video is polished, upload it to your preferred platform to share your passion with the wider Candy Blossom community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.